part of the spring, hello, that echoes. For part of the spring cleanup job I'm doing out here, we are going to power wash this, paint it, make it look pretty.
What color are you painting it?
Huh?
What color are you going to paint it?
Chevy orange.
Of course, because that's the best.
Well, I have a Toyota. Chevy orange doesn't make a whole lot of sense when the only thing you got is Toyota. Well, I got a Jeep and a GMC.
And you got a
Husqvarna?
and
Husqvarna
it's
orange.
Chevy orange.
No, it's Husqvarna orange.
Oh, okay, fine.
Still orange though, my favorite color. It's pretty bad when your choice between lawnmowers, you know, is a John Deere, which is green, or a Husqvarna, which is orange. And orange is your favorite color, so you buy the Husqvarna. But, you know, whatever. So, we're going to power wash this with our Craftsman power washer and clean it up. I started washing already and noticed the paint was just blowing off it. So we're going to go ahead and blast the crap out of it, blow as much paint off it as we can, and then I will probably take the old wire wheel cut brush to it, dust the rest of it off, and then paint her up nice and pretty. So yeah, here we go. Let's get a paint, or sorry, not painting, get a power washing. So, now that we got the old lift power washed, I bought a it's old Harbor Freight, Pittsburgh. And I opted for the, what's that they're called? Air over hydraulic. Yeah, buddy. Got the, super heavy duty. Long ram, round bottom, air hydraulic jack. Round bottom means it's got that little attachment. So we will replace that one. But while I was power washing it, like me and the wife said, I decided we're going with Chevy orange. So I'm going to totally blow this thing apart, disassemble it, do a little work on it right here. I want to put some, this we call it a gusset right there across the wheels. Buy some new bolts for it, make it right. But I want to clean it up so it looks nice. It don't have to look nice, but it's old. It's been through hell and back, and I'm probably going to take it there again, so it might as well start out live looking fresh. So it'll be a little bit, but we'll get this thing blown apart and start to sand it down. Alrighty, got that all blown apart. Done with all that. I'll probably take that back up to the power washer, wash that groove out. I'm gonna run down to the paint store and get some primer and probably a good cut brush. Put on my grinder, and I'm just gonna go to town, wire wheel the crap out of that, get it all cleaned up, every piece, and get them all painted and ready to go back together. I'll have me a new to me engine hoist, cherry picker. Had to run to the store real quick. Had to get, what we have to get? Paint. Orange paint. Got some Cried on. All in one. Paint and primer. Gloss Popsicle Orange. I like popsicles and I like orange. Then I got new hardware, new bolts. So everything got to go back together with new bolts. Right. Morning, neighbors. Put this on the bench. Alright, so I've pretty well straightened all this up. Maybe I'll turn this camera around. You're probably just looking at a shadow in the sunlight, huh? We'll do that. So as you can see here in the shop, I hung some string up, got all these pieces to this thing dangling off the rafters. That one's a little low. I'll probably lift it up. So everything's sanded. I'm probably going to wipe it all down with some lacquer thinner, get it all cleaned up nice and pretty. That was a little low too. I think I'll probably pick that up. Get it all cleaned up and get her painted. This is the bottom of it, and that's the rest of it. I'm going to weld this piece to this piece. It was bolted, and it, you know, I'm just going to go ahead and burn it in solid. I won't ever, well, I'll say I won't. I'll probably regret it later, because there will be a time where I need to take it apart, but not any time in the foreseeable future. So I'm going to go ahead and weld it. I'm going to go ahead and weld a brace across here and across here, because this has been welded up before. So we're going to make her solid, get her burned in nice and pretty, and then we'll get to painting. A little chilly out, probably 60 degrees. I might go ahead and turn the heater on, try to take an edge off this shop, you know. Or I might wait till tomorrow. It's supposed to be 80 degrees tomorrow, so that'll be perfect. Come home from work, give it a paint job, but until then I got to get everything ready to get painted, so. All right, I got her tacked. Stuck her over here. Tried to level it up. It wasn't good. Tacked it over here. Put a shim under it. Got it all straight. So we are level there. And level there. So level and level means this thing should be perpendicular there, right? Right. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and fire up the old Miller-Matic 250 and burn that all the way around, and then we'll start cutting some gusseting for it. Got that cooked in there. I might go ahead and come in with a little gusset or something on here, and I don't know, maybe something. But anyway, that's cooked in. We're good to go. I like it. I like it a lot. Got everything all leveled up, straightened up, squared up. Good to go. All right, so we will probably. Oh yeah, shit! I forgot. I gotta put something across here. Doggone it. All right, I gotta cut that out real quick, and then we'll get it cleaned up the rest of the way. Get those wiped down with lacquer thinner, cleaned up, and we will start the paint process. All right, guys, here's the base of the cherry picker with a main arm. I got the gusset braces off of it. I welded these on. They will support or help support the wheels and the casters there. That way this piece here, when you get a weight on it, don't buckle. And got everything else hung up, ready to go. I got a little more cleaning and buffing on stuff to do. Get the lacquer thinner out. I will shine those up, not shine them up, wipe them down, get all the dust and dirt and grime and stuff off them with some lacquer thinner. And then tomorrow is supposed to be like 80 degrees. So I'll probably wait till tomorrow to come out here and paint them. I think I'm gonna spend the rest of the day out here cleaning my bench and whatnot, cleaning stuff up. I'll just have to walk around this crap. But, as you can see, it's a filthy pigsty mess out here, and I am tired of digging through stuff to find stuff. So we'll spend the rest of the day out here cleaning up, and then we'll come out here and paint these tomorrow when it's 80 degrees and make them look pretty. So for today, we're done. Well, guys, I don't like it. I don't like the color. I don't like the way the paint's going on. It's going on real thin, like no color in the can, and it's running, I just don't like it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna go grab a different can out of the sack, paint it something else, see what it looks like. If I don't like it, then, well, either way, like it or not like it, I'm probably end up getting some different paint, and you guys will have to stay tuned next week to see what it looks like put together. So, if you like what you see here today, go ahead and like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned next week, see what happens. It's like an old to be continued. Yeah, not happy. Don't like that at all. I want, like, popping orange, you know what I mean? Like, See that color, the old generally there, that power strip, that's the color orange I want. Not that. All right, guys, like I said, if you like what you see here today, like, share, subscribe. We'll be back.